Hey, today I'm going to be doing an upgrade to my 1977 Chevy K20 4x4, and I've come up with a name for the truck, and I will give you the name after I install it. I got a custom window sticker made with my truck's nickname on it, and let's see if you guys can in the comments guess the name I gave this truck before I actually show you the sticker at the end. So try to be honest about it. Write the comments before you see the end of the video where I show the sticker and the name I picked for this nice little 4x4. Anyway, I'm going to start by cleaning the windshield, which I already did. And since this truck is pretty high up, I'm going to be laying on the old hood because I'm going to replace it with a cowl hood anyway. So I figured I'd do the window and the window sticker before changing the hood, because I don't want to lay my heavy weight on the new cowl hood. I'd ruin it. Why not go on top of a hood that's already buckled? So I can't make it any worse, or at least it wouldn't make a difference. So here I go. I'm going to start installing my window sticker. Since it's already cleaned and prepared, I'm going to install this window sticker on this truck, and you'll see what the new nickname is. The new name for this truck. Alright, more to follow. Here's the challenge. Get through here on this hood. So first I'm going to take the sticker out of the box. And by the way, if you want a custom window sticker, there's a place that does them. I bought it off eBay, but here's the name of the company that did the custom window sticker. A1A Sales, P.O. Box 256, Helmeta, New Jersey 08828. And this custom window sticker, it's nice and big and high quality. With taxes, shipping, and everything, I paid $17.48, which isn't too bad. So, figured I'd get that out of the way, so that question's already answered. Alright, I'm going to start installing the sticker. First, you peel the backing off, position it on the windshield, and then you press. You make sure all the letters come off while you're peeling, because if they don't, the sticker's not going to turn out right. I've been waiting some months to do the sticker because I had a bad windshield. It was all cracked up, so I got a new windshield, so now it's time for the nickname window sticker. Here we go. So far it's peeling off nice and smooth. I'm starting to get a little wind, so this isn't good. Alright. Now you position the window sticker nice and even on the window. Start from the inside, work your way out. Start from the inside, work your way out. Inside, work your way out. Inside and work your way out. Now I'm going to use this little thing they gave me to Make sure the sticker's all pressed nice. Once all the air bubbles are out of the sticker, then you peel the clear off of it. So slowly start peeling the clear off of the sticker, nice and slow. Then once you get this clear sticker, the clear sticker position tape off, then you just go ahead and press around the sticker to make sure it's still on there really good and get the air bubbles out of it. You don't want to do it fast, because if you do it fast you could rip your sticker off and there goes all your work, you know, all the hard work that you did. There you go. Work air bubbles out of it as you go. Going nice and easy. Taking off the clear. Almost there. All right, and the clear is off, so next thing you do, go over your sticker. Make sure you press all the air bubbles out. Get all the air bubbles out of your sticker so it turns out really nice on the windshield. And I'll be showing you the name of this truck real soon once I get this sticker pressed on the rest of the way. I'm going to work my way off this hood. There's the name of my new truck. My 77 K20 four-wheel drive. Here's the name I picked. Old Blue. That's the name of my 1977 Chevy K20 truck. You see how I took my time and put that window sticker on there to give my recently lifted truck a nice personality. It's got its own personality now. The Old Blue. Kind of like the old blue ox in the Paul Bunyan story. I figured blue, Old Blue. What a name. So, thank you for watching Mad Boosting, and please subscribe, please share, and hit the notification bell. Share with your friends. And hey, Mad Boosting.